Alright, this this video is for the reaction for the K-12. K-12 means kindergarten plus 6 years in elementary plus 6 years in high school. Well, most of the students will disagree with this, and also me, because for me K-12 shouldn't be implemented, because what we need is a good quality of education, but not another years of education. We Filipinos have competitive minds, like the other Filipinos has achieved many great deeds in history. Additional years for education is not a solution. Besides, many of the newly graduate did not or will not look for job. They remain from what they used to be. We often call them a standby. What we need is a good quality of education. Far as I have observed, many of my friends have great potentials in excelling from class, but these potentials were wasted because education here in Philippines is lack of good quality. I'd like to tell you something. This is based on my own experience. Class starts at 7:30 and it ends at 11:30 for subject period. For lunch break, if we base on the class schedule, there is no interval between subject period. But if we base on the teacher's performance, interval between subjects are almost one period, and sometimes we didn't even see the teacher's shadow, or they just send us some activity. How can they know we all participated? How will they know that the others were just copying the answers of their classmates? And here's another. There were teachers who gave grades based on the closeness with the student and not based on the student's performance or the student's academic grades. Is this what they call education? This reality annihilates our interest for education and gives birth to the interest for having cutting classes. If K-12 would be implemented, but still the teachers will remain on this kind of practice, K-12 will be no difference at all. Such a nonsense. Again, I'll say this. We need good quality of education, but not another year's education.